Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mikey and I'm going to talk about how to apply to China Bank Corporation. Una, you must be graduate in a 4 years course. Any course, it must be related to accounting, financial management, and other. So, if you are a fresh graduate, you can apply to these positions as a staff. First, a teller, customer relations assistant, or a branch operations assistant. So, saan mo makikita yung post ni China Bank about the mass hiring? Pwede kang pumunta sa JobStreet, Indeed, pero mas prefer ko is LinkedIn. So, doon nila pinopost kung saan silang location and what dates sila nandirito sa location na to, kung saan sila mas hiring. So, nag-apply ako sa China Bank as you have 3 choices kung ano yung mga positions na a-applyan mo. So, ang pinili ko is first choice is a teller, pangalawa customer relations assistant. So, pangatlo is operations management. So, during the interview, first is pag pupunta kayo sa branch, so make sure na naka-formal attire kayo and then may dala kayong resume kahit isa lang with 2x2 ID. So, pag nandun na kayo sa location kung saan may mass hiring ng China Bank, ang una nyong gagawin is pupunta kayo sa isang room kung saan bibigyan kayo ng paper. So, parang waiting area siya as well as meron kayong sasagutan na konting question lang naman about your weakness or strength and mag-fill up kayo ng mga details. So, after nun, pupunta na kayo sa interview kung saan kakausapin kayo ng branch manager ng China Bank. It's either MOA branch or other areas. So, doon, pwede naman kayo mag-Taglish. Hindi naman kailangan fluent in English. Since sa bangko is bibihira lang naman yung English. Depende sa client kung maroon siya mag-Tagalog or mag-English. So, during the interview, is a must pa rin na you can use English words. Pero kung hindi mo naman ka-explain ng total English, you can speak in Tagalog. So, bago kayo makapunta doon sa final interview sa mga branch managers, mag-exam muna kayo or mag-assessment. So, yung assessment, it's about logical assessment. So, you can search for it. Seka, madali lang naman. So, pag hindi mo napasa yung unang assessment, so, mapapamiliarize ka naman na sa kung ano in-exam mo. So, pwede ka pang umulit for the second assessment. So, after nun, pag nakapasa ka na doon, and na-interview ka na, so, bibigyan ka ng offer kung magkano yung starting mo. So, kadalasan, nasa 15,400. So, tataas pa yun once na regular ka. So, bago ka ma-regular, ang probationary period nila is 4 months. So, sa 4 months, before 4 months na yun, mag-exam ka muna for regularization. So, after 4 months, pag na-regular ka, magkakaroon ka ng raise allowance. So, dadagdag na yun kada sahod mo. And every August, tataas yung sahod. So, hindi mo na kailangan umalis dahil tataas naman yung sahod niya. And makakuha ka rin ng bonus every April and November. Meron din namang 13-month pay and HMO. So, sa HMO nila, meron kang Medicard and pwede kang magsama ng isang dependent na magkakaroon din ng Medicard. So, ayun, libre lang yun. After mo mag-apply, pag nabigyan ka na ng offer ni China Bank sa HR, So, magpuproceed ka na sa medical. So, yung medical is sagot naman ni China Bank. So, wala ka na masyadong gastos. Yun nga lang, pag may mga pinaulit or nakita sa'yo is sagot mo na. So, ma-reimburse mo lang yun once na regular ka. So, yun guys. Kaya galingan nyo and kung may tanong kayo, feel free to comment in the comment section. So, ayun lang. Bye guys!